Today we're going to do the sweep tool with problem 1.7.3. It's going to look something like this. It's basically just this belt that's going to fit around some pulleys that we did in 1.7.2. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that sweep tool today. So basically we're going to draw this profile first, and then we're going to draw this inside circle here, and then we're going to sweep the two together. So let's go take a look at how that works. Let me get my screen situated on the other monitor. Okay, so create new document. This is 1.7.3. You could just call this belt if you want to. And again, we're going to use the sweep tool. So if I look at the top profile or the sectional view of the belt, that's going to be on my top view right here. There we go, top view, that little orange box. So I want to start with that first. So I'm going to make a sketch, top view, rotate to my top. And remember, any sketch we do, we want to start from our origin point so that it's not going to be moving around and we can fully define it. I'm just going to draw the basic shape here, not worrying about dimensions right away. Alright, and we want this to be 40 degrees here to here. 40. This top dimension is supposed to be 0.5. So much smaller than I made it. And then the height of the entire thing is 0.3125. And it's still blue here because these two sides are sort of on different angles. If I make them the same length, that should straighten that out. So I'm going to make them equal to each other. There we go. We're good. All right, so that's our top view. Done. That's it. All right, so we finished the sketch. Normally here we would extrude or revolve or do something, but we can't do a sweep until we have a second sketch. So now we're going to go to our front view. Actually, no, I want to do my right side view because of how I drew this. I'm going to create a sketch, right side view, and now we're going to draw the path for the belt to flow on. So if I bring this screen back over here, we're going to draw this inside arch for the belt to basically ride on as it follows that path. And it looks like that has a straight line here that is 6 inches. So I'm going to zoom out and try to get that close to 6. And then we have a circle out here at the top, and a circle down here at the bottom. And we're going to connect those two. Alright, so I'm going to make these two equal. I'll make these two equal. And I want to make sure these are tangent on here as well. Alright, now I'm going to trim out the inside of those circles. And we pretty much have the path, we just need 2 dimensions. So this is 6. And the circle has a radius of 2.6875. There's our path. It's fully defined, everything's good to go. If it's not, if it's blue, try to move it around and it should give you a clue as to what still needs to be defined or dimensioned. Finish the sketch. Now I have 2 sketches. I have sketch 1 and sketch 2, or sketch 1, sketch 2. I can now sweep them together. So it's going to say faces or sketch region to sweep. So this wants to know the cross-sectional view of what it is that you're sweeping. So I'm going to grab sketch 1, and then it's going to say sweep path. I have to click this, that's why it's red, and then I can select the second sketch that I made, and it's going to follow that all the way around. Now some of you might be saying, why don't you just draw this loop and extrude it outward? You could do that, but then it's not going to have this taper on the sides of it like the belt does. It would just be rectangular, or square, I guess you could say. It's not going to be really the right shape. It's not going to be the shape of a belt. But that's it. Green check mark, and you've just made a belt. That's all there is to 1.73. Done.